Every product has a story to tell, but what if your customers could simply ask questions and get instant answers? Introducing Bolka AI, the voice AI platform that transforms every product into an interactive conversation through a simple QR code. Here's how it works. Take the iPhone 17 Pro. Right on the packaging, there's a QR code. Scan it, and instantly you're talking to an AI that knows everything about your new device. Want to know about the camera features? Just ask. Curious about battery life? It's ready to explain. But it's not just smartphones. Imagine buying IKEA furniture. Instead of struggling with instruction manuals, scan the QR code and ask the AI how to assemble your bookshelf. It guides you step by step, answers your questions in real time, and makes the experience effortless. Or consider Philips medical equipment. Healthcare professionals can scan a QR code on the device and immediately access technical specifications, troubleshooting guidance, and training resources through natural voice conversations. The power of Bolka AI is universal. Any product, any industry, any question. Your customers get instant, intelligent answers exactly when they need them. No apps to download, no manuals to read, just scan, speak, and learn. Transform your products with Bolka AI. Make every product smarter, every customer experience better.